Hurricane Beryl. For what reason did dangerous tempest shape so early, and why has it been so serious? Beryl is the earliest tempest on record to raise a ruckus around town with such strength, and had set off a storm advance notice for different islands in the locale. Hurricane Beryl has battered islands in the Caribbean, killing more than 7 individuals. Nearly every home on Union Island in the Grenadines has been obliterated or seriously harmed. Authorities say the hurricane has caused enormous annihilation. Beryl's classification peaked at a Category 5 level, but maintained a Category 4 classification until it passed Jamaica, debilitating to a Category 1 classification by the time Beryl made landfall in the United States. Forecasters say this dangerous tempest is strange and has broken records. This is the reason. No tempest has arrived at Beryl's degree of force so right off the bat in the tropical storm season, which runs from the 1st of June to the 30th of November. Beryl jumped from a Class 1 to a Class 4 tempest in less than 10 hours, as per meteorologists. This is the quickest strengthening at any point recorded before September. In any case, that is not all. Beryl is the principal Class 4 tempest to at any point shape in the Atlantic in the period of June, and was likewise the earliest storm to form into a Classification 5. An unnatural weather change has helped push temperatures in the North Atlantic to record highs. Hotter waters lead to more dissipation, which fills more extreme storms, highlighting higher breeze speeds. A typical Atlantic hurricane season ordinarily delivers 14 named storms, 7 of them hurricanes, and 3 significant storms. The economic toll is staggering, with billions of dollars lost in infrastructure, agriculture, and livelihoods. The emotional scars run even deeper, as communities grapple with the trauma of loss and displacement, the long road to recovery paved with heartache and uncertainty. To understand the link between global warming and hurricanes, we must first understand the basic mechanics of these storms. Hurricanes are fueled by warm ocean water. As warm, moist air rises and cools, it condenses, forming storm clouds and releasing heat. Herein lies the problem. Our planet is warming at an alarming rate due to human activity. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other unsustainable practices are releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. This excess heat is absorbed by our oceans, providing more fuel for hurricanes and increasing their potential intensity. Warmer oceans lead to more powerful hurricanes. As global temperatures continue to rise, we can expect to see hurricanes with higher wind speeds, greater rainfall, and the potential for more catastrophic damage. The link between human activity and intensifying hurricanes is undeniable, and the consequences of inaction are dire. Consider Hurricane Beryl. Not the most powerful hurricane on record, its rapid intensification and unpredictable path are indicative of the changing nature of these storms in a warming world. Past hurricanes often followed more predictable paths and intensified at a slower rate, giving communities more time to prepare. Hurricane Beryl is just one data point in a much larger trend, a harbinger of the increasingly powerful storms we can expect to face in a warming world. Data speaks to changing hurricane patterns. The evidence of a changing climate is not limited to historical records. Scientists are also observing shifts in hurricane patterns, further solidifying the link between global warming and these increasingly destructive storms. One such shift is the expansion of the hurricane season. Traditionally confined to the warmest months of the year, hurricane season is now starting earlier and ending later in many regions. We can't just sit back and watch as our planet suffers. Each of us has a role to play in combating global warming and protecting our future. Simple actions like reducing our carbon footprint, supporting renewable energy, and advocating for environmental policies can make a significant difference. It's about taking responsibility not just for ourselves but for future generations. Together we can create a sustainable and resilient world.